Hello guys and welcome. Today we have this interesting question right here. X to the second power minus x to the third power is 36. And we have to figure out the value of x that will satisfy this equation. Pretty interesting question. Feel free to pause the video and give it a try first. Are you done? Comment your answer in the comment section down below. Now let's get started. Looking at the problem, you might be tempted to factor out x to the second power because it is common. So we have x to the second power here, then we'll be left with 1 minus x, and this is 36. In fact, you can actually solve this equation, but that is going to take you a long way because you will need all the factors for this one and then do them one by one. So I don't think factoring this straight away is going to help. One good thing about algebra is that always we can play around with the question. So let's play around with it. First of all, let's equate everything to 0 by just transposing this 36 so that we will get x to the second power minus x to the third power minus 36 is equal to 0. Actually, we can play around with this negative 36. Check this out. I'm going to keep these two terms, x to the second power minus x to the third power. Then the negative 36, I'm going to write it as negative 9 minus 27, and this is 0. The question is, why did I do it this way? I did this because I want to express this negative 9 as a number to the second power, then also negative 27 as a number to the third power, so that they will all go with these two terms. Easy, that is algebra for you. So we will have x to the second power. This time I'm going to write the negative 9 first, and negative 9 is the same as 3 to the second power. So we're going to have negative 3 to the second power. Note, this square is not affecting this one. Okay, good. So we have minus, this time I'm going to write the negative x to the third power, then minus negative 27, which is the same as 3 to the third power, and this is 0. Interesting. First of all, let's maintain this. X to the second power minus 3 to the second power. Then right from here, we can factor out negative 1, so that we will get negative 1 times x to the third power plus 3 to the third power, and this is 0. Now, this right here is difference of two squares. That is, if you have a squared minus b squared, this is actually a plus b times a minus b. So we can express this in this form. And let's not waste time. Also, if we have a to the third power plus b to the third power, this is the same as a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now this right here goes with this right here, algebraic identity, so we can express this in this form as well. So let's do that really quick. Algebra is nice, right? So here we will have x plus 3 times x minus 3. Then I'm going to put this in square brackets just like that. Then right from here we have negative square bracket. Now this time we are going to express this as x plus 3 times x to the second power minus 3x plus 9, and that is that, and this is 0. What can we see? X plus 3 is here, and then it is also here, so we can just factor it out. So let's do that. We have x plus 3 right here. Then for this side, we are left with x minus 3, and then from here we are left with negative the whole of this. So I'm going to distribute the negative by the whole of that, right? So we will have negative x to the second power plus 3x minus 9, and this is 0. Cool. So let's simplify what is in the square bracket first. I'm going to maintain this one, x plus 3 right here. Then here we have negative x squared. I'm going to write it first. Then we have x plus 3x, that is 4x. Then we also have negative 3, negative 9, which is negative 12, and this is equal to 0. Interesting. Product of two factors is equal to 0. Actually, we can form two equations out of this. The first equation is going to be x plus 3 is equal to 0, or the second equation is going to be negative x to the second power plus 4x minus 12 is 0. Just like that. Now, to get a value of x from this one, let's go ahead and then subtract negative 3 from each side so that we get x is equal to negative 3 as one of the solutions. Now, let's come back to this one. The easiest way to do this is to make the leading coefficient positive, and we can do that by multiplying 2 by negative 1 so that we will get x to the second power minus 4x plus 12 is 0. Looking at this quadratic equation right here, actually we can use factoring method to solve. So let's make good use of the quadratic formula. In fact, the quadratic formula is given by minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. What is a? A is the leading coefficient of x squared, b is the negative 4 right here, and then c is the constant, which is 12. So let's go ahead and then find x this time. We have x is equal to minus 4, that will be positive 4, then plus or minus square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 12, or divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. Of course, we can simplify this further. We have x is equal to 4 plus or minus negative 4 squared is positive 16. Negative 4 times 1 times 12, that is going to be negative 48 plus this 16, giving us negative 32, then all divided by 2. Actually, we can also break this down because we have x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of negative 32 is the same as square root of negative 1 times square root of 32, and square root of the 32 itself is the same as square root of 2 times square root of 16, all divided by 2. Now let's go ahead and then simplify this further. We have x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4, then square root of negative 1 is I, times square root of 2, all divided by 2. Easy. So, ladies and gentlemen, the final answer to this quadratic equation right here is x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i root 2. That is that. So, looking at the solutions, you can see that this is a complex solution. This is the real part. Actually, we have two complex solutions if you split this. I hope you found the video useful. Make sure you subscribe and also give me a thumbs up. I'm looking forward to get 10,000 subscribers within next month. So let's start now. See you. Take care. Bye-bye.